First reading, a reading from the letter to the Hebrews, chapter 13, verses 1 to 8. Continue to love each other like brothers, and remember always to welcome strangers, for by doing this, some people have entertained angels without knowing it. Keep in mind those who are in prison, as though you were in prison with them, and those who are being badly treated, since you too are in the body. Marriage must be honored by all, and marriages must be kept undefiled, because the sexually immoral and adulterers will come under God's judgment. Put avarice out of your lives and be content with whatever you have. God Himself has said, I shall not fail you or desert you. And so we can say with confidence, with the Lord on my side, I fear nothing. What can human being do to me? Remember your leaders who preach the word of God to you, and as you reflect on the outcome of their lives, take their faith as your model. Jesus Christ is the same today as he was yesterday and as he will be forever. This is the word of Lord. Thanks be to God. A reading from the Gospel according to Mark, chapter 6, verses 14 to 29. King Herod had heard about him, since by now his name was well known. Some were saying John the Baptist has risen from the dead, and that is why miraculous powers are at work in him. Others said he is Elijah. Others again he is a prophet, like the prophet we used to have. But when Herod heard this, he said, it is John, whose head I cut off. He has risen from the dead. Now it was this same Herod who had sent to have John arrested and had him chained up in prison because of Herodias, his brother Philip's wife, whom he had married. For John had told Herod, it is against the law for you to have your brother's wife. As for Herodias, she was furious with him and wanted to kill him, but she could not able to do so, because Herod was an awe of John, knowing him to be a good and upright man, and gave him his protection. When he had heard him speak, he was greatly perplexed, and yet he liked to listen to him. An opportunity came on Herod's birthday when he gave a banquet for the nobles of his court, for his army officers, and for the leading figures in Galilee. When the daughter of this same Herodias came in and danced, she delighted Herod and his guest. So the king said to the girl, ask me anything you like, and I will give it to you. And he saw her and asked, I will give you anything you ask, even half of my kingdom. She went out and said to her mother, what shall I ask for? She replied, the head of John the Baptist. The girl at once rushed back to the king and made her request. I want you to give me John the Baptist's head immediately on a dish. The king was deeply distressed, but thinking of the oath he had sworn and of his guest, he was reluctant to break his word to her. At once the king sent one of the bodyguard with orders to bring John's head. The man went off and beheaded him in the prison. Then he brought the head on a dish and gave it to the girl, and the girl gave it to her mother. When John's disciples heard about this, they came and took his body and laid it in a tomb,